Hi friend, today's video is about the how to find the cube root of a large number. So there are two things we need to know. First, we need to know the cube root of the number from 1 to 10. Now 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125, 6 cubed is 216, 7 cubed is 343, 8 cubed is 512, 9 cubed is 729, and 10 cubed is 1000. Look at all the unit digit of the numbers in the cube column. They are all different from each other. So, if we find the cube root of 2197, at first we choose the unit digit from the number. Their unit digit is 7. 7 is the cube root of 3, and ignore the 3 digit from the right of the number, so we take the number 2, and 2 is the cube of the number 2 is lies between the cube of 1 and 2 cube. So 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So this two number is lies between 1 and 2, 1 and 8. So we choose the lower number, and this lower number is cube root of 1. So the cube root of 2197 is 23. The 4, 5 and 6 digit number, they are cube root of the 2 digit number. So we choose the another number 195112. Now we cube root from the number. At first we choose the unit digit of the number. The unit digit is 2, which is cube root of in this cube column, the 2 is unit digit of the number of 8 cube. So this is 8 cubed unit digit number 2, and now we ignore the 3 digit from the number, so we take this digit 195, which lies between the cube of 5 cube and 6 cube. 5 cube and 6 cube. So we choose the lower number. So this is 5. That means the answer is 58. That is 58. We choose another example. That is 35937. We choose the unit digit from the number is 7. 7 is the cube root of the unit digit of the cube root of 3, and we ignore 3 digit. We ignore 3 digit from the number and take the 35. The 2 digit 35, it is lies between the cube of 3 and 4, and we choose the lower number, that is 3. the answer is 33. That means this number is the cube root of 33. We choose the another example. 4096. The unit digit of the number is 6. 6 is the cube root of 6. So this is 6. We take 6 and the 3 digit. We leave the 3 digit number and we choose the this number, this digit, that is 4. 4 is the cube of the number. It is lies between 1 and 2. 1 cubed is 1 and 2 cubed is 8. So we choose the lower number, that is 1. That means the answer is 16. In that method we find the cube root of the 4, 5, 6 or 2 digit number easily. The 4, 5 and 6 digit number is the cube root of the 2 digit number. So in that method we find the cube root of the number in 5 to 6 seconds. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.